Whoa! Oh God!
Hey!
Alright guys, I'm with Raymond today. Unfortunately, the well where we take our baths is dried up. You can see it through there. So we can no longer take baths there, at least for the time being. In the summertime it gets really dry, so we have another spot we're gonna go take a bath. And that's what we're gonna go to today.
Maybe after 1 month.
You can eat it?
Yeah.
What is it called?
Santol.
Santol?
Yeah.
Alright.
San, then tol.
Oh, Santol. Alright. Looks like a...
Your place, what you call this?
It looks like a little
Sand
coconut. Yeah, sand small. So there's the well. Raymond's getting some water. And I remember this spot because last time we got some star apples over there. Alright, good. We got plenty of water. How deep do you think that is?
Oh, I got 4.
What?
4 feet.
4 feet?
Yeah.
Alright.
We only have 2 buckets.
Nice. You're not truly friends with somebody until you take a bath with them, right?
Come, I take a bath later, naked. Hey.
Hey.
I'll show you.
You serious?
Yeah. I take a bath naked.
I think YouTube is rated PG.
Oh.
Alright, we got our taboo.
Oh.
No! Clothes on.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Oh. I think. Take a bath naked.
No.
Yeah.
No. No, no.
I don't know.
Clothes on.
Only this.
Clothes on.
Hey. It's okay.
No.
You did that. Alright.
Are you really gonna get naked?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You're gonna get all the way naked?
Right? Only now. Because I wear a boxer.
Oh, yeah, in the boxer's fine. Well, boxer's fine.
But my boxer have a hole.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bo
4 holes.
okay. Boxers is fine. You wanna stand here? People can see your holes in your boxers.
Stay here.
You're gonna go over there? Yeah. Alright.
Oh, why are you laughing there?
Raymond has holy underwear. I'm turning this way.
Keep it secret.
Huh?
Keep it secret.
Is it what?
Keep it secret.
It's a chiclet?
Secret.
Oh, it's a secret.
Oh, take off your t-shirt.
No.
Oh, why are you shy?
Ugh. I'm gonna wash my shirt at the same time.
Only in Philippines.
Yeah. No, I do this all the time. When I'm traveling, I usually wash my shirt in the sink.
Okay, faster.
Woo. Whoa! Oh God!
Oh, hey! Hey! Careful!
I was too close to the edge, man. I should not close my eyes.
Don't close your eyes.
Oh man, I'm all muddy.
Oh. Look your feet.
Oh, this is a bad spot.
Superstition in Philippines. Don't laugh while you are taking a bath.
Yeah, I think
Because if you laugh too much, the invisible people push you down.
I think that's what happened. Oh, we forgot to say petty petty poo.
Yeah. That's why invisible people push you down there.
Please, invisible people, let us take a bath here. Raymond, I think you've been cleaning down there for too long.
Yeah. Because I take a bath once a month.
You better get him good.
Yeah. Don't watch me.
No, I'm not watching you. Oh, I'm gonna turn this way. You're enjoying yourself too much over there. I don't like when you look at me while you do it.
Keep it secret. Hey.
No
Keep it
secret. Turn that way. I should have went with Richie.
Huh?
I should have came here with Richie, not you.
Maybe next time if you take a bath here,
Yeah. I'm coming alone.
I join you there.
No! It's social distancing.
Ah,
We
something.
need our distance.
Yeah. Right now I can't go
Yeah.
with you there because I take a bath naked. My underwear you have 4 holes.
Too many holes.
What's the hole?
I think you're only supposed to have 1 hole.
Oh, don't watch the hole.
Huh?
Don't watch the hole.
Don't watch the hole. I got soap in my eye.
I'm done.
You're done?
Yeah,
Wow.
I'm late.
I'm almost done.
Go.
Huh?
Let's go. You stay here until turn on?
I can't get this spot right here. Can you wash my back?
Oh,
Right here.
I'm naked. Not now. More water?
Yeah.
More?
One more.
One more? Oh,
Yeah.
two more?
One more. Oh, I was gonna use that a little bit.
Okay.
No, it's not. Why are you in a hurry?
I'm late.
All right, now I'm good for another 4 weeks. How about you, Raymond?
Go for 1 month.
1 more month? All right.
1 month and 2 days.
1 month and 2 days. 1 month and 2 days is too many. 1 month and 1 day is okay though. Every time you go to the well, you have to bring some water back. That's the rule. Oh, you're getting a little wet. I don't think there's gonna be any water left when you get home. This is where we got our firewood the other day. Alright guys, we're just gonna walk back. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. We do this about once a month, so maybe next month you'll see another one.
Next month and 2 days.
Next month in 2 days. Sorry you guys didn't get to see Raymond's holy underwear. He's very religious, so that's the only kind he wears. Alright guys, take care.
Take care.
And hopefully Raymond has any water left by the time he gets back to the house. What?
God bless.
God bless. Please God bless his holy underwear.
Oh.